Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn some animal signs.
BSL keyword sign gorilla. Let's try gorilla. One more. Gorilla. BSL keyword sign alligator. Let's try alligator. One more. Alligator. BSL keyword sign dinosaur. Let's try dinosaur. One more. Dinosaur. BSL keyword sign zebra. Let's try zebra. One more. Zebra.
You're doing great.
BSL keyword sign squirrel. Let's try squirrel. One more. Squirrel. BSL keyword sign eagle. Let's try eagle. One more. Eagle.
Nice signing.
BSL keyword sign penguin. Let's try penguin. One more. Penguin. BSL keyword sign dolphin. Let's try dolphin. One more. Dolphin. BSL keyword sign turkey. Let's try turkey. One more. Turkey. BSL keyword sign goat. Let's try goat. One more. Goat.
Fantastic work. Let's go through them again together.
Gorilla. One more. Gorilla. Alligator. One more. Alligator. Dinosaur. One more. Dinosaur. Zebra. One more. Zebra.
Keep signing.
Squirrel. One more. Squirrel. Eagle. One more. Eagle. Penguin. One more. Penguin. Dolphin. One more. Dolphin.
You're doing great.
Turkey. One more. Turkey. Goat. One more. Goat.
Shall we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady.
Gorilla. Alligator. Dinosaur. Zebra. Squirrel. Eagle. Penguin. Dolphin. Turkey. Goat.
Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.